Mr. Sanat ji, sir, you have said a lot about the things which were taught, and I think I have tried to like justify the topics, and just like taking a cue from what Kundu sir said, like emphasizing upon the like importance of the literature review and how things were like quite different in the previous time. I do agree. Uh, Coming to the part of the like query, you said that to show the part of the like SLR and the TCMM like once again, but I think the points which we have to like take up today is about the bibliometric analysis and the use of lit maps. So if there is any like particular query related to the TCMM analysis or the SLR, then I would like to like clarify it in a very like, limited time, because for the rest of the participants that time should be used in a very like judicious way, right? uh, the the thing of the SLR, I'll try to show it again today with the help of the Scopus database, right? But I don't think that showing the whole the process of the TCMM or the SLR, because we have very limited time. So as per the like instructions of Bhavani Malia madam, I'll just try to go forward. And like prior to that, I just want to like clarify that please, any of one of you, if you have any like, particular doubt regarding the Prisma or the TCCM, I am very ready to answer it. But like doing it the same thing what was done yesterday, I think that will be a wastage for the rest of the participants. So, so it is up to like Bhavani madam, as what you say, I'll try to delve to it. Bhavani ma'am.
Hello, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, Bhamani man, according to Sanat sir, there were some queries related to the TCMM and the Prisma. So I was just saying that if those queries were pinpointed, I could have answered them, but showing them in a whole way, it will take a lot of time and it will be a waste for the rest of the participants. So because
Yes, sir.
our agenda for the today is you can say bibliometric analysis and the use of lit maps.
Bibliometric analysis.
Bhavani ma'am, am I audible? Could I convey my point to you?
Yes, sir, you are clearly audible.
Yes, sir.
So based on the like participants, please, if there is any like particular doubt, please come ahead, so that once that is done, then we can proceed with the usual session. Whoever has doubt anything related to the TCCM or the Prisma, like within a short time, I'll try to fulfill it. So I think Sanatji, like, I can take
Yes,
these
sir.
questions at the end, and right now I can start my session related to
Yes, sir.
bibliometric. Okay, yeah. So see the like, process of the SLR, I try to show it today because we also need it in case of the bibliometric analysis. The input file which we use for the bibliometric analysis, it comes from any of the databases only, and I'll try to show it with the Scopus, right? So but prior to that, there are certain terms in the bibliometric analysis which I would like to uh, discuss, that what are those. Because you see, to do a bibliometric analysis, it takes only 10 minutes, right? Had it been so easy, then everybody would have published papers related to bibliometric analysis. So the art is in understanding that what do we mean by the co-citation analysis, citation analysis, co-occurrence keyword, when to do what. So very quickly we'll go through it, and when we will try to do it hands-on. Now I hope all the like participants had downloaded the Prisma link and the file which was sent. Just hands up or some yes no will do.
Yes, sir,
Yesterday
download.
right? And also the link which I had sent for the like was viewer download, everybody has downloaded it. The Microsoft Windows version, Mac, or the other systems, everybody has done, I hope. Any problems in it? Some of the systems might not have Java in it, so it will ask you to download it, and once it is done, it will run properly. Okay, so I hope that all the participants have like downloaded it. So we'll try to do it hands-on today. And for the hands-on thing, I have sent a model data in the group itself. So I hope all of you have got it. the demo file which I have sent? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So, okay. So I hope we can move like, forward with it, right? So yesterday I have discussed the difference between the SLR and the bibliometric. So anyone would like to tell me the difference between the two? I'm not taking a class, but just for the like interest sake, I just want to know that how many of you do like remember the difference between the two? Hello?
Excuse me, sir. Sorry to interrupt.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes, madam.
Am I audible, sir? Actually,
Yes, yes.
Dr. Arpan Mahapatra want to say something. Sir,
Yeah,
Arpan sir.
sure, sure.
Hello. Hello, sir. Arpan sir.
I think, ma'am, he's not audible or he's not present. I'm not sure.
No, Arpan sir was there. Actually, he was raising the hands. That is
Hmm.
okay, sir. Let us continue, sir.
Okay, ma'am. Anything like related to the session or some query?
So please continue. By mistake, there was a actually finger touch on the screen
Oh,
actually, sir.
it's
Okay,
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 sir.
Sorry.
okay.
It's okay, sir.
Not an issue, ma'am. So very quickly we'll go to the part of the SLR once again, so that like people get to know a brief about it. So I'll once share my screen. Please let me know if it is visible to all. Yeah. So this Scopus homepage, is it visible to everybody?
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, one of the participants, he had asked me this question yesterday that, sir, what if we don't have the WOS or the Scopus or any good, you can say, index thing? So the answer which I gave, I'll just try to repeat that you can just send those keywords to somebody who has it from any, say, institution, and they will just send you the Excel file, right? So any doubt in that? It's a very easy process, right?
Yes, sir.
So like here we
Yes,
come.
sir.
So for example, I'm a student of HR and OB. I want to do a research on like employer branding. So I'll just so I will just type here employer branding. Okay. So see here we have a lot of options to choose from. Article type, abstract, keyword, only abstract, only article, only keyword. So the default one is article title, abstract or keyword, because normally these are the things which we would like to search in an article, and if any of them have it, we would like to keep it in our database. Okay, so we just click on search. So we have got around 769 documents visible to everybody.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
But obviously we can't read all, right? So first, like I had shown yesterday, you need to go to the subject area and you need to click the ones which are relevant to you. For example, this business management, social science. So as of now, we will limit to it. Okay, so the number gets reduced to 646. Then we want only articles. We don't want the book chapters. We don't want the conference papers because they are less authentic, and we also want only the English language ones. Okay, so we'll limit it. So see, now we have got 442 documents. Okay, so these are the various inclusion and the exclusion criteria which we have to mention, and in our search index, you see there are number of the keywords also which we can use. Now for example, I would just say that I only want the keywords which have the word employer branding in them, or for that matter employer attractiveness. I don't want the articles which have like recruitment in them. So I will try to limit it to these. Now, like I said yesterday also, this inclusion and the exclusion criteria totally depends upon the researcher's prejudice. Now, for example, you want to choose any country wise also, some like Western, or you can say Eastern kind of the studies. If you want to pertain only to India, that can also be done. Okay. So at last, what do? We click here, all. If somebody has the Scopus SS, then they can do it hands on. Is it okay? So this 309 documents, I have clicked here all. If required, you all can write down the steps also. Bhavani ma'am, will that be okay?
Yes, sir.
Because
Okay.
they might like forget the steps. Although the document which I have sent yesterday, it clearly mentions the like stepwise uh, process which needs to be done in case of SLR. So there is no point in like forgetting it, right? Once again, I'll say this subject area, document type, then the keyword, then the country. It totally depends upon you which of these inclusion and the exclusion criteria you want to take it up. Is it okay? Any doubt till here?
No, sir.
Okay. So next, our work is to download its metadata. So we have already clicked here, select all, right? Then we need to export it. So we will export the CSV file. Is it okay? Do I need to show it once again? You see, export, then we go to CSV. Now it asks what type of the information do we need. See, for the bibliometric analysis, we need all. So let us click on all. Is it okay? Now
Yes,
we need to click export. Right hand side, we are seeing it down. We just need to click it, export. So you see it says that we are exporting 309 documents. Actually, it is not documents, it is the metadata of those 309 documents.
Sir, what is the metadata, sir?
Metadata, see the DOI, then the first author, second author, the title, the keywords which are used. Let us just see it. We have just downloaded this file. Let us open it. You see, is it visible to everybody?
Yes, sir.
See, author
yes, sir.
full name, their ID, title, which year, the source title, volume, issue, page start, page end, cited by how many, then the DOI, then the link, then the affiliation, then the author with affiliation, abstract, and these many things. So this is the complete information of the document. Then the language, then the ISSN number, sponsor, publisher, editor, everything related to that document. You have downloaded the information, and almost the same thing I have sent to you all in the group. Now is it okay? Any query that related to it? See, this number can totally vary depending upon the inclusion and the exclusion criteria which has been used by the researcher. Is it okay till here?
Yes, sir.
Right? Now we have downloaded it. Now that will be our input file for the bibliometric analysis. Now let us know the basic terms which are used for the bibliometric analysis, because without knowing them, if I directly show it to you, then later on you might ask me that, sir, what is this co-citation analysis, what is this co-occurrence keyword, what does it mean? So we should know the meaning initially, and we'll do it later on. So So I think all the like participants, they have downloaded the was viewer and they have downloaded the demo file which I have sent.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So this slide is visible to everybody. Bibliometric analysis.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we'll
Yes.
directly come to it. So this citation analysis, what does it mean? Basically, we are trying to like study the relationship among the publications by knowing the most influential like publication in a particular area, right? Which has the most you can say influential, most cited. Now, like many people say that okay, whose work or who or which like article should I read in my area, which is the most known. So please read the ones which is most cited, right? And from that you can lead to more you can say like articles, and that will get to know through the use of the that AI thing which I will show you today, the lit map basically, right? Next up, we have the co-word co-word analysis. Now certain words are clubbed in it, right? Certain words, they like occur more in a particular document, and they are the ones which like occur more, and a map is formed. Like you all must have seen in the first page of the FDP, this like a brochure which was like designed by the team, very like wonderful work which was done. So the first page had it, right? So that was the co-occurrence keyword analysis, right? And when we talk about the co-authorship, then it talks about the social relationship or the co-authorship of certain works which have been done in that particular area. So once we do it hands on, then we will get to know. Okay. So this was viewer is visible to everybody, and all of you have downloaded this, and this is the home page which comes, home page of the software basically.
Sir, does Vosvio needs to be uh, accessed every time? Like, it is a exe file I have downloaded. Then after that, every time it is saying that I have to open it, but it does not open normally. So
No,
can you
no.
just?
See, you can just create a shortcut of it, and then you can click it. It will open,
Okay, 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 sir.
right? See, like I have done, like this. So
This window is coming. This interface is coming to me,
yeah,
but
yeah.
like I can't find the icon anywhere. I have to just search for it.
See, okay. In that case, I will just show it to you.
Yeah. Yeah.
Normally, we right click and right we write it as send to or be it on the desktop. So by that logic, you can like assess it very, or you can give like right click and pin to start.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. I've got it, sir.
Just
So you
right
can,
click it
yes,
and
I sir. So you can carry on, sir.
yeah,
I
yeah,
can answer. This is a basic question. No
yeah, yeah.
issue.
So we'll left on, we are seeing create, so we'll click on create, right? And then we'll go to create a map on bibliographic data, because we have that kind of data with us. So all the participants, they have come to this point. I'll just wait for like 1 to 2 minutes so that we are on same page. Create a map based on bibliographic data. So it allows us to make co-authorship, you can say maps, co-occurrence maps, citation maps, co-citation maps. Okay. Is it okay, all of you? Okay. So it's a hands-on thing. So like whenever like you all have any doubt, you can just type on the chat window, or maybe you can say it openly that sir, this like step we are not able to do. Please tell how to like proceed accordingly. Okay. So we go to next. Now you see the part, you just need to click on the particular you can say these three columns, the ones from where you have actually taken the data. Now in our case we have just taken it from the scopus, isn't it?
So I think your video is lagging because we can only see a white screen, the only screen. So if you can just start once again.
That
Okay,
pop-up
okay,
is
okay,
not
okay,
visible, sir.
okay, okay.
The main window is visible, but the pop-up is
Hmm.
not visible.
Okay, it's good that you like pointed out, or else I would have moved forward. Now is it okay? Now is it okay?
The
So
main
the
window is visible.
Okay, let me then just share my whole screen, or it might not work that way.
Yeah, sharing full screen works, sir, I guess.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Just a second. Yeah. Now is it okay? The first this comes. Then I was saying about this.
Yes, sir.
Choose which type of data which we like exactly want to do the analysis. Now, typically in this bibliometric analysis, we do the co-authorship, then the key occurrence uh, analysis, then the citation analysis, bibliographic coupling, and co-citation map. Okay. Then we go to next. So 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 all the participants have come to this page particularly.
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so we go to next. Now this is what I was saying, that we need to click on a like particular row from the like data source what we have. Now in our case we have taken the data from scopus, right? Or if somebody has the, you can say, like license of the web of science, or like one of the participant like yesterday says that from dimension we can take the data, so that is also okay. So we need to click here. There is some constant sound. Is there any problem, Lakshmi
Someone
Priya
called
Pandaji?
Lakshmi Priya raising hands.
Yeah,
I think
it's
somebody is
very
raising
irking,
hand.
like continuous sound, and I even can't mute it. I think for the rest of the participants also it's a bit
Yes, sir.
disturbing.
Yes. Still,
Okay,
still. The same.
not an issue. So we'll try to go forward. So in our case, we have used the Scopus database, right? So we'll click here and we'll go to next. Is it okay? Now coming to the Scopus, we need to click on the second tab because we have used the Scopus database, right? Then we need to click here and we need to go to the like data file, the one which I had sent you, or your own, right? Now in our case, in this case it was demo file.csv. So everybody is able to reach till now here. In this case it is demo file. In your case it might be any such file like
Excuse me,
which
sir.
you have downloaded. Yeah.
Sir, can you please repeat the step? Because due to that beep sounds, it was unable to hear
Okay,
properly.
okay. Yeah, yeah. I'll do it again. I'm closing it. So this page, is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So our
Yes, sir.
first aim is to create co-citation analysis map, co-occurrence keyword. So we click on create. Now we come to create a map based on the data what we have with us for these 4 or 5 basically kind of analysis what we will do. Co-authorship, co-occurrence, citation and co-citation, and the coupling. Okay, so we click here, we go to next. Okay, then since our data is from like Scopus, now I was saying that if like somebody has the data from the WS or the dimensions or like PubMed for the like bio background people, they can use the data which is from PubMed, right? And we click here. Now we click on Scopus. Now if we have like dimension data, we can click on here. Scopus, we can click here. Web of Science, we need to click here. So be very like particular, because VOSViewer is very you can say like particular for the kind of the database file which it has, because if you input any wrong file, it will just give you wrong kind of data, wrong kind of the analysis, because the rows and the columns in that are named very differently. Okay, so next we go and we need to like reach that file where have we saved it. So typically it is in the downloads. So this is the demo file. So is it okay, all of you? You see the path is very well defined here, right? Is it okay, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So then we go to next. Now it says reading the Scopus file. Because the file is very bulky, it had around 300 400 say like metadata related to it, so it will take some time. Till then, let me see if there is any query or any doubt to any of the participants. No. Okay, so we'll
Sir,
come
after
back to the.
clicking on scope, sorry, excuse me, sorry.
Yeah, ma'am, please tell.
Sir, after clicking on the scopus, I'm unable to
Huh.
see anything.
Unable to see anything? No, but you have to go to the right hand side on the 3 dots and you have to reach to that file where you have saved,
Okay. Okay.
either on some drive or on some you can say downloads, like typically we save our
It's in
things.
downloads only, sir.
Huh. So if it's a CSV file, so it will be shown there
Yes,
for
sir,
the
I
for
got
the
it.
rest of the participants. Is it
Yes,
is it
sir.
visible? Huh.
Yes, sir. Yes, you may continue.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So you see this 5 type of the analysis: co-authorship, co-occurrence, citation, coupling, and co-citation. Is it okay? Now let us just go to the like description part. What do these mean? So you see, citation analysis is to analyze the relationship among the publications by knowing the most influential publication in a research field. Then the co-citation, it shows the interrelationship between the most cited publications and to know the foundation themes in a research area. Then we have the coupling part, among the most like cited, to know that which periodical or the present development themes they have cross, right? Then we have the co-occurrence or the co-word analysis. It is also known as the co-occurrence. In case of the this was viewer, it has termed it as co-occurrence, the word which has occurred more, right? To explore the existing or future relationship among the topics in a research field by focusing on the written context of the publication itself, right? And at last we have the co-authorship analysis, to see that which like authors they have done the work together. Okay, so this like description part, is it okay to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
so let us go with co-authorship analysis first. Okay, now minimum number of the documents of an author. So you see, as you like reduce the size, because it asks minimum number of the documents of a particular author. Now more the author, right, the more will be the number. So you see, if I just click on the like minimum number of the documents of an author 3, then more number of the like authors will be there.
So just can you go back once?
Go back.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
So what is this? Ignore documents with a
With
large
the
number of authors.
yeah, have you heard about this uh, uh, physics? This experiment where the number of the authors were 5,000.
No, I haven't heard of such, sir.
Yeah. So
Yes, sir, I
see,
heard.
so like basically what it says that please don't include the
Okay.
outliers in the
Okay.
terms of the like number of the authors.
Okay.
I think it was the Hodron Colodron kind of project, something related to physics. So more than 5,000 authors in a single research paper. So it can't you can say process that very easily, right?
Got it, sir. Got it, sir.
So we have the co authorship. So like I was saying,
Okay.
so minimum number, let us keep it as 3, then we have 36, right? So number of authors who we need to select, it is 36. So you see, these are the authors and their citations and how many documents they've written, and this is the total link strength. Okay, so we'll see how to write it down. Then we click on,
Can you please go back? Okay.
right? So you see, so it shows that which author they have done the work in a particular field. Now if you go to the Scopus file, then you will find a link with these 6 authors, right? Now next up, like we have to repeat this whole thing. Now the most used, or you can say most like depicted things in a like, research paper is of the co-occurrence and the citation kind of analysis. Now we go to co-occurrence. Now you see what it is basically, that which like keywords are, you can say like emerging, or the keywords which have some kind of, you can say, interrelationship between them. So these are the words which have like occurred more in a article. Now the like default, what it shows is 5. Now if we want that like we want a certain keyword which has occurred more, then the keywords will be less, right? So the minimum number of the occurrences of a keyword, for example this branding word, so it must come that many times. So in this case it says that 69 of the keywords are there which have occurred 5 times. If I say 4, then the number will increase, 98. Is it okay, all of you? Once again, I'll try to explain it. See, by default it is 5. What it says, that keyword 5 times it has occurred. Minimum number of the occurrences of a keyword in the like Scopus list, the documents what we have sent. Okay,
Sir,
normally,
sir, is it in one particular article keyword occurred 5 times?
no, it's in the like articles what we have like downloaded in the Scopus,
Okay.
right? The file. Now see, normally we don't keep it so much like crowded, because it will be very tough for us to write about the cluster. So we just next, we go to next, and we, you see, these are the keywords, and this is the total link strength. And when we click on finish, you see, is this like visible to everybody?
Yes, sir.
So you see that the central construct, as we say, or the central keyword is employer branding, and the blue cluster, as we say, that is one cluster. Violet is one, red is one, orange is one, yellow is one, and green is one. Now you see what it has done. Based on the algorithm, it has created certain clusters. Now it is the work of the researcher to like define the cluster, define as to what it means. I think some of us might have done the exploratory factor analysis, where we have to give a certain name to a group of the like components, the factors what we have. Now in that, at times we face a certain problem that that not all the like components which are there, they actually fall into that heading. A few can be outlier, right? But overall you can say like majority wise we have to create a name for the cluster.
Sir, is it kind of factor analysis? The logic?
No, see, I yes, yes, the logic is the same.
Okay.
Logic is the same, and hence I said that if certain of the like outliers or certain words that don't even fit in that cluster, it will do. But overall you have to give a name to that cluster. Okay, I'll show you one of my published papers, and I think it will help to create that confusion or help it. So is this paper visible to everybody?
Yes, sir.
So this was like published in the Scopus, and Q1 or Q2. At that time it was Q2. Now it has moved to I think Q1 because it changes. So with like one of my seniors who is there in Taiwan. Okay, very simple paper, not very you can say like rocket science or so. So it was about the P2P lending and how this NN can be implemented to it. So we'll directly come to the part of the bibliometric analysis. Okay, and also what to write as a research question and the objective in case of a bibliometric paper. You see what significant research trends could be identified, right? And then how do we like identify it with the help of bibliometric analysis? To identify the bibliometric profile, research article keywords. Keywords we know through the co-occurrence keyword analysis, right? And to know the emerging research areas which are there. Okay, so we'll come directly to it. So this is, I think, known to all of you. What is this basically? Anyone can say?
The Prisma.
Yes. You see, so we have first tried to do the like Prisma analysis, right? Then you see, this is the keyword search what we did, because you have to write that like what were the like keywords that you have used. Then we
So
try to,
one question, like you said the
yeah,
keywords. So like in suppose when I'm writing a thesis, like
yeah, yeah.
I have to give a reason for everything. So what
Mhm.
reason do you think is appropriate for choosing a keyword?
See, a keyword like basically comes from the area of the research what you're doing. For example, if you're doing a research on like, for example, employer branding, then you will
Yeah.
use those kind of keywords. Employer, you can say attractiveness, employer branding, say like human resource management, right?
Hmm. So
So,
there's no
so
hard and fast rule, right?
no, no,
Can
no,
you use market?
no. Like marketing, you can say like principles applied to human resource management. So
Okay.
the keywords they have to be defined like properly. Means you can't say that that branding in this term it means this. No, that has to be properly defined prior. You can't give your own like definition to anything,
And the
right?
scope should be a little wider, right, sir?
Yes, yes, yes,
Okay.
yes. Because like once it is broad, then you can zero in later on, right? So you see, this also we had seen yesterday, how we can like analyze it with the like Scopus file what we have. Then this like year wise data also we had seen. At this time it is given in dots, black dots. Yesterday we had seen, right? Then this Sankey diagram, actually this is this can't be done using this. For this, we need the biblioshiny. That is a from the R, you can say, command, and one of the researchers had said, so that takes a different kind of learning that might be taught in a different workshop, not for today, right? So coming down to this most relevant sources. So these are the journals which are the most relevant in this particular, you can say, area. Then these are the most relevant authors, list of the authors, right? Then list of the top, you can see, institutes. This also was there in the scopus, right? Then the 20 globally cited publications. Is it visible to everybody?
Yes.
Now you see, once we go to now, okay, and how to save this? You see, we need to click on save here. Left hand side, is it visible to everybody? Save.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Also, if we want, we can change it from circles to frames for the better, you can say, visibility. So some changes you can do here: circles, frames, then length also you can reduce a bit. Okay, then you click on save, and you can give any name to it, and you can save it. Okay, now coming to the citation analysis.
Sir, just can you repeat once more the interpretation of this co-word analysis from this
That
graph itself?
this co occurrence you are saying?
Yes, sir. Co-occurrence
Okay.
and co-word is the same thing, right, sir?
Yes, yes, yes,
Yes.
yes.
So suppose I take one cluster, employer branding is coming at a bigger, the
Yes.
dimensionally it is little bigger. So that
Yeah, yeah.
means what I can interpret that this word has occurred in almost in the maximum number of
Almost all.
places.
Yes, yes,
Number
yes.
one. Now it
Yeah,
is forming clusters with, suppose the green one if I take.
yeah,
So
yeah.
these are the words with which it has formed clusters.
Clusters. Mm,
Okay, that means these
but
words
the
have
yes,
occurred together.
yes, but the clusters are formed, can say, color wise. Now, for example, in this you see, it talks about the organizational commitment, then the retention, then the identification, and the intention to stay, employer attraction, labor market, right? So certain such keyword, or a mega, you can say, factor which can give a name to it, right?
Sir, kindly excuse me. I can see COVID-19 in that this one, that chart. So what is the
Yes, yes.
essence of that?
This
Yes.
yes. So see this yellow, you can say, the cluster, it talks about that, during that, you can say, period, that how this E, you can say, is, this recruitment, or the talent, you can say, attraction, or the CSR, how this can be clubbed in a particular, you can say, frame, or a particular color wise,
Yeah.
right?
But
So
COVID-19 is also in yellow color, I guess, sir.
yes, 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 this one.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, correct. So this we can save. Now, coming to the part of the
Like, so uh, every cluster represents a theme.
yes, yes, theme. Now,
Okay.
let me first show in this paper. Okay, you see here, there are 4 to 5 ones here. Okay, now you see this definition of the cluster visible to all of you.
Yes, sir.
So you see this cluster to the blue one, it more talks about the financial risk. Okay, then the CNN one, then this violet one, it talks about the P2P network and the neural networks, right? Okay, well, coming back to this now, for example, I talk about this blue one. Okay, so this theory, then the fit, then the part of the organization, you can say attractiveness, then the employer choice, diversity, employer image. Now can we give a single name to this light blue colored one, right? So certain such names which have a, you can say, like umbrella term to it. And like I said, that not every this co-occurrence keyword needs to match with this with it, like in the case of EFA. But it will do if the like majority of the factors they are into it.
Like employer's affinity could be a term, an umbrella term for
Yes,
that.
yes, yes. So
Okay.
see, such like umbrella terms it need to be like discussed like within groups with guide and with certain, you can say, your own thoughts, that how can I club these into one single factor, in some single cluster, right? One more like paper,
Okay, sir.
I'll try to show it to you. This is also by one of my senior there in Taiwan, like Priyanka ma'am. You see, so and this is in TIS. There also you see they have done the same thing and they have created the like clusters. So this is visible to everybody. So like this
Yes.
is about like blockchain and its certain, you can say, aspects. Now you see how they have tried to like define it. Just a second. So they have made four clusters. I'm just like searching the part where they have, yeah, you see visible in this basic keywords. In this one, it talks about the correlation among keywords based on the basic blockchain techniques. Cluster 2, it talks about the IR 4.0 or 4.0 applications. Cluster 3, blockchain and IR 4.0 applications. And cluster 4, it talks about something else. Okay, so I think by now, like you all must have a very brief idea that how to name the clusters. See, it like totally like depends upon your subject knowledge, or you can say your uh, like depth of the like subject what you have taken it up. Is it okay, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now very quickly we'll move to the part of lit map also, because I don't want to miss on that. Now, how many of you have heard this term, this tool, lit map, literature map? Any
Today
of you
only
by
I come to
chance?
know, sir. Today only I come to know when I was discussing with my colleague about last session of yours, sir.
Okay,
Like,
okay, okay.
okay.
So you see this lit map. This is the home page. It's not any tool which needs to be downloaded. You just need to enter any keyword or any author or any DOI. Now like somebody can say, how do I know like which is this? Now just like yesterday I have talked about that, what you can say, a certain like base paper that you must have found like, related to your work, right? So that DOI you can write. So it will tell you that what are the like related papers. Based on the like network algorithm, it will tell you that these are the ones which you can also read. Is it okay? Now for example, I have typed like employer branding and I'm very new to this area, and you see based on the like citation analysis, I have got to know that a certain paper, like maybe this, it has the highest number of citation in it. Okay, it might take some time. Okay, I've jumped to this, sorry, I'll come back again to this. Now we'll create a citation analysis. Okay, so these things remain the same. Now you see citation. Visible to everybody?
Yes, sir.
So you see, minimum number of citations of a document. So at least we'll need 10 citations, because that is what we like consider to be good, right? So 213. So let us go more high, at least 15 citations. So there are 161 research papers which have at least 15 citations. You see, now I know which paper has been cited the most in case of employer branding. It's Backhorse 2004, and it has 667 citations. So even this thing, people take this like snapshot, and they try to discuss it in the research paper. Citation analysis.
Sir, can't it be downloaded as a table?
No, means till the part I have seen it, it can't be
Okay.
downloaded. It can be seen in this way. This like citation analysis. You see, the size is bigger. The more the
Yeah,
size.
yeah, I've got it. Like the tables that you have shown in the paper, which you have published, sir, the
Yeah,
one
yeah,
that you shared, there were certain tables also over there, which also had the influential authors. So, is it downloaded from? Yes, yes, sir.
yeah.
So, how is it downloaded, sir?
No, see, this we can write like on our own, right?
Achha, this
And
is manually created.
yeah, yeah. I mean,
Okay, okay,
top 10 or top 15 or top 20, like based on your work, right?
okay,
Now you
sir. Got it.
see, this like Backhorse, uh, according to this, has the highest citation. So I will try to enter the name of Backhorse here. Okay. For example, I'll do it once again. Now, for a like beginner, what they'll do, they'll just type the name here. I mean the topic. But for somebody who has done that, they will type here Bacchus 2004, because they know that it is the most cited, most known work in case of employer branding. You see, is it like visible to everybody?
Yes, sir.
So you see, now this lit maps will create certain maps, and it will show you that which are the like research papers which you can read if you have read this as your base paper. You see, is it okay, all of you? Now, like many times I see some of us think that, okay, I have a few good papers, but I don't know that what to read more, and hence we fall prey, or we fall trap to certain such papers which are not so much important. But here we know that like these are the ones which are linked to it, and these are the ones which are most important. Now what like we can do, we can just uh, like for example, I have read this Slaughter 204, right? So I can just give a tag to it. Okay, certain parts are even paid, so let me just sign in once. But the basic, this like tagging part, it is not paid. That can be done on its own.
So, what is the use of tagging, sir?
Use of
Tagging. You're saying.
tagging, yeah, I'll show you. See, in a map it shows you that like which of the papers are, you can say, like empirical, or you can say conceptual, or you can say like country wise also you can give tags, right? Sometimes like we do the uh, like a comparative analysis also, right? So tagging can be based on like your own you can say like benefit, right? For example, I'm doing a like review work, that okay, how many of the like researches they were done in the services sector, and how many were done in the like manufacturing, right?
Okay.
So I can tag them as services, or I can tag them as manufacturing
Okay, sir.
after I have gone through them.
Yes, sir. Is it kind of labeling, sir?
Labeling, yes, yes, yes.
Yeah. Okay, sir.
Correct word you have used.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. So just a little sign in is required here. Yeah. So for example, I'll just show here. So you can write as like empirical. Okay, done. Or certain of the like research papers, once you have read, you have like got to know that it is, you can say, like conceptual, right? Or you can tag it sector wise, or you can say like country wise, right? So that is the use of tags. Is it okay?
Okay, sir.
Yeah. And hence with this actually we like get
Excuse
to
me,
know
sir.
that.
Hello.
Hello.
Excuse me. Will you please explain again that tagging procedure, please?
Yes, yes, ma'am. Yeah. This,
Yeah.
we need to go to this like lit map, and we for example, I have read this work so and so on. Then I just need to go here, tag. Visible, ma'am, here?
It's
Left
not
hand side.
changing, sir. I can only see the browser, no, that lit map, and nothing is changing.
Okay. Let me again share my screen, because till now I think it was visible to everybody.
I
Sir,
think
it's
it's stuck
visible.
somewhere.
Just a sec. Just a sec. I'll share my screen again. At times there is a lag. Now is it okay?
It's
Now
same,
is
sir.
it visible? Now is it visible?
For me, it's visible, sir.
Yes, sir. Visible.
Okay. So you see, for example, this article I have read, and I have to, you see, just tag it. This tag, is it like visible to everybody? So I'll just click here. Oh, it's asking for sign in again and again. I don't know why. Just now I had signed in, right? Now this is like visible to everybody. Backhorse was our main article. Now, for example, I have read this article, cable 2004. Okay. So I just need to go here and tag here, empirical. Okay. Now I have read Socro, and I feel that it falls under like conceptual category. So I'll just write conceptual. Okay. Is it okay? Now you see this article cable. It can be also like one more like you can say like sector wise, like I had told. So it can be also into the like manufacturing sector, right? Now you see it's half half, because it is both empirical in the manufacturing sector. So basically it helps us as a like researcher to tag certain keywords, and then we know that yes, we have read these, and there are these many papers into it. Is it okay, everybody? Am I audible?
Yes. Yes,
Right.
sir.
So see, it totally like depends upon practice, and how more you read and how more we do it. Okay. And you all, I'll like request ma'am to share my mail ID, so that if there is any query, then I can answer you all. But like before I end, I actually want to share certain tips for the like researchers who want to write and submit their work somewhere. Okay. Like related to the bibliometric or to the like overall kind. So this slide is like visible to everybody.
Yes, sir.
So you see, before we submit our work to any of the journal, we should see that whether we have such type of points what we have cross checked on our own or not. The first thing is the sign of the curiosity. Now you see, we might use so many tools, like I told like yesterday, that you use like PLS-SEM, or you use the MCDM technique, you do the bibliometric analysis, this and that. But your like research paper does not have that punch or that idea that what novel is it giving, what novelty it is like bringing into the table of the like literature review, or to the, you can say, academia overall. So once we read our paper, we should feel very curious that yes, you should actually go, like you can say, like storyline, like in a like Bollywood movie, right? Thriller. We feel that okay, what will happen next, we don't know. So that thing should be there in the research paper also. And yes, you might write it and share it with your like colleagues and ask that, does this have this punch, correct? Novelty aspect, I have told that until and unless the proper like literature review has been done, then we might get certain of the like replies that okay, this like paper was not read, this was not seen. So please do a proper literature review, and then only we can say that we have done everything, right? And coming to the part, this like flow should be there in the text, that like many times there is a like disconnect between the objective and the result, right? We have claimed that we will do something else, and we have done something else. Work can be very good, but somehow the like connect in the flow was missing, right? Anyone has faced such kind of the issues like previously? Anyone in the like participant list, they have faced such problem during like submission or so? And also, we don't keep the like latest like, references also at times, so that is also very crucial. Okay, so like these were the certain like major points which I just thought. So there are many, but at least something that related to the literature review, I thought that I should tell that this should be the checklist before submitting our work to the journal. So with that, I would just like to ask if there are any queries, then I can try to address it. Or
One of
yeah,
Then what
the
is this NVO
participants.
something?
Yes, sir.
yes,
Yes, madam, you may
MC,
continue first.
ma'am, you are not audible.
No, yes, yes. Am I audible, sir? No.
Yeah.
Hello, sir.
Now you are audible. Yeah.
Okay. Sir, uh, one of our participants asked, is there any specific order that must be followed in coming up with the bibliometric analysis? Yes, he wants to step-by-step process.
Yeah, see, like I said, the most two or three of the sets like which are done are the co-occurrence and the co-citation analysis. I just share these two papers what I have just shown, and the participant can just go through it, and then you will see mostly these two are the ones which have been talked about. And also I'll share a like research paper by Dontu sir, who is like known as the father of the, you can say, like bibliometric analysis. Naveen Dontu. He's from like originally from India, but he's based in US, some great kind of university there. So his works have been like published in JBR and all. Okay, so these three like research papers I'll just share. So once the participants go through it, they will like get to know that majorly this co-occurrence analysis, then the co-citation, these are the ones which are tried to be like described in the research paper. Okay, there is no set sequence that first you need to do this, then you need to do this. It like totally depends upon the like objective what you have, right? So I have shared the files in the group. I hope it is that it has been received by the participants. Okay.
Sir, what are the minimum analysis we need to do? Like there are a lot of analysis in bibliometric analysis, but for
Yeah.
publishing in a good quality journal, let's say ABDC, if
Hmm.
it's a literature review paper based on bibliometric analysis, what are the
Hmm.
minimum citations that we need to do?
See, like I said, the co-occurrence analysis, then the
Okay,
co-citation, these two are the minimum,
okay, sir. Okay, sir.
right? And further you can like expand upon. Now, like I said that using the this biblio shiny, if you can make the Sankey diagram, then in a single figure you can get the country, keyword, and the year. So
Okay,
that's a bit like advanced thing like to be done. But for a starter, you can start with the co-occurrence keyword, the co-citation kind of analysis.
okay, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Yeah. So, Bhavani ma'am, I think we have tried to come to the end of the session. The papers I have
Fine, sir.
shared.
Yes.
Sir, I just want to ask you
Yes, sir.
one small,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
small thing.
Sharma sir.
As
Yeah.
of now, what I felt it one of the biggest tasks for a research scholar to get the
Hmm.
CSV file, because we don't have access of Scopus.
See, like I said, it's not a very tough task. Please try to have some like networking, some friends who are in good places, and the ones, and then these days it's not only limited to the IITs and the IMs. There are so many, you can say, like places, places, or you can say like organizations who have the focus with them.
Sir,
Secondly,
what's your take on ONUS? Because
ah,
we ONUS, it's not a
one nation. Yes,
database.
yes, 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 yes. I
Can we
see.
generate,
Gradually,
sir?
it
Can
will
we
come to
generate
everybody.
CSV file?
Yes, agree. See this. Whatever like resources has been got by the government of like India. So this one nation, it should be actually like accessed by the all. I think some of us.
Sir, I have user ID and password. Our institution they provide us,
Huh.
but I could not find anywhere to download such kind of metadata through ONUS.
Yes, see, for that we'll have to wait. Means like wait in a way that all the like SS thing has not given till now. You can download the like particular file, right? But you can't download all the like
Yes,
metadata.
sir.
You see, uh,
Yes.
some of us might have heard the name of the this can say what to say, revolution, the Plan S. Anybody has heard about it? Plan S.
No, sir.
No.
See, basically like any other like businesses, right? There are some major, you can say, like business players like in the pharma industry, right? They make drugs and then they want it to be sold to everybody. So like similarly in this like academic line and you can say like publication line also, it is like heavily dominated with 5, 4, or 6, you can say like publishers, right? Elsevier, or you can say like Emerald, Sage, or InterScience. So they won't actually allow these you can say like resources to be like open to everybody, or else where will the business go? So this Plan S is a kind of, you can say, like initiative like which has been taken by a lot of people, which says that all the research should be open access, so that everybody can assess it, or else like what is the use of doing the like research if it is not like useful for all of us, right? We do agree to it,
Yes,
but
sir.
you see, there are certain like constraints in it, and like I've said, and that's a like whenever you have any such, you can say search, you can say string, you can send it to me. I will send you back the like Scopus file. Is it okay?
Thank you so much, sir.
Not
I
an
was
issue.
just
Yeah.
Not an issue. And you see
I would
it's
love to connect you with regard to
yeah, yeah.
getting CSV files, sir. So thank
Yes,
you
yes.
so much.
And see uh, it's about, you can say like networking, it's about, you can say like connections. See hardly it takes 5 minutes to like download the file. And if we have certain such like research groups where we can like put our search and we get the file, so not an issue. And like I've said, I don't want to repeat it, we also have the dark web, but yes, it has its own like pros and cons, right? We get the like Turnitin ID and the password, then it's Grammarly ID and the password for a very less price. So yes, those things are dicey, but yes, if you have some sources on it, that also you can try. Yeah. So with that, like Bhavani ma'am, I think we can try to wind up here.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Sir,
sir.
kindly
Thank you so
ask me
much,
the
sir.
last question.
I sincerely thank you for
Sir,
sharing your valuable insights and expertise during the session. Your
Yes.
contribution has been truly enlightening and greatly appreciated, sir. I hope all the participants found the session and engaging and insightful.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank
Thank
you
you.
once
Thank you.
again.
sir,
So,
And
kindly excuse me the
dear
last question,
participants,
sir.
yeah,
I
sure, sure.
request,
So
Sir,
my mail ID will also be like provided by ma'am. So if there is any like larger query,
yes,
that
yes,
I'll be like happy to answer like later on also.
okay, sir. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Yes, yes.
thank you, sir.
Yeah.
And dear participants, I
Thank you,
request
sir.
you all to fill the